In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Shopify support. If you're running a store, there will always be moments when you need quick help, whether that's with billing, themes, apps, or orders. Knowing exactly where to go and how to reach a real person can save you a lot of time and frustration. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start a live chat with Shopify support directly from your dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on that dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Settings. This will open up a new page with all of your store's configuration options. On the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Shopify keeps the support link down here, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you reach the bottom, look for a link or button that says Get Help and click on it. This will redirect you to the Shopify Help Center in your browser. When the Help Center page loads, give it a second to fully appear. Then look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see a small chat icon labeled something like Chat with Human. This is your gateway to talking directly with a support agent. Go ahead and click that icon. A chat window will pop up, usually starting with a short automated message. In that window, you'll see an empty field that says Type a Message or something similar. Click into that field and start by briefly explaining what you need help with. For example, you might type, "Hi, I need help with a billing charge I don't recognize," or "I'm having trouble connecting my domain." Being clear and specific here helps the support team assist you faster. Once you've typed your message, send it and wait for a response. You may get a few automated suggestions first, but stay in the chat and you'll be connected to a live support agent. Keep your store information handy in case they ask for details. And that's it. You've successfully started